Have you thought about if you become smaller one day, how will your vision be like? Our old friend LAOWA reached out to us and hoped to do a little interesting collaboration with us. Look what we have got here, 24mm f14 LAOWA macro lens. Thanks LAOWA for this lens and offer more opportunity to the video creator. Now come and follow us to see its magic. Welcome back, this is YC Onion, I'm Jeffy. Look at the unique appearance of this lens. It can satisfy the needs of some extreme environments. Maximum aperture of f14, millimeter level focusing distance. The front end of the lens is up to 20 cm, also waterproofed. Back to its appearance, this lens has a slender head-to-body ratio. Compared to normal cameras, this lens can achieve some special shooting methods, like entering inside of a jar or other small objects. Since it can enter into small objects, it might be difficult to fill in the lighting in the shooting environment with a waterproof LED light, which can provide a certain light in some dark environments. When shooting small objects, some slight move can cause large margin of the distance in the screen. Therefore, you need to use other equipment to assist shooting when using this lens. So here comes with the slider. We are going to use YC Onion's hot dog slider and chocolate slider this time. Only needs to set up the AB point and the movement before using. The slider will finish up its job. You can also adjust the lens positions. Sometimes it might be hard to adjust the slider and its movement. The YC Onion app is made for this. Use the app, connect the slider and make it pause and automatically move back and forth. Then your hands will be free. Also, don't forget the maximum aperture of this lens is f14. You need to prepare enough light source to avoid the dark environment. The first and most important thing is that the position of the key light. We put the light from the top of the shooting object and illuminate the object below the light source. The shooting object will be light up. Then put other photography lights on the both sides of the object to outline the shape and the atmosphere. After following steps, we can prepare the shooting trajectory, whether to let the object pass through the lens or to follow the movement of the lens. Adding some other modification, then you can get what you want. At last, thanks to LAOWA for this lens again. Without this special lens, we won't get so many interesting videos here. That's all for today. Do you guys have any idea for us? Welcome to comment below. We will share more interesting things. This is YC Onion, I'm Jeffy. See you guys next time. Bye bye.